Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard icicles. First, gather your ingredients including 2 cups of milk, 4 egg yolks, 5 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, set up a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan with gently simmering water. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until the mixture is smooth and a light yellow color. Now gently heat the 2 cups of milk in your double boiler until it's steaming, but be careful not to let it boil. Gradually, and while continuously whisking, pour about 1/3 of the hot milk into your egg yolk mixture. This process, called tempering, prevents the eggs from scrambling. Once tempered, pour the entire mixture back into the double boiler and continue to cook, stirring constantly until the custard thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Once your custard has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Next, carefully pour the warm custard into your chosen icicle molds or any small, freezer-safe containers you have on hand. It's important to chill the custard in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours first, allowing it to cool completely before transferring it to the freezer to solidify. Finally, allow your custard icicles to freeze for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely firm throughout. If you find them difficult to remove from the molds, a quick dip of the mold's bottom in warm water for a few seconds can help release them easily. Once unmolded, your delicious, homemade custard icicles are ready to be enjoyed. They make a wonderfully refreshing and unique dessert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.